Good morning and welcome to BSc third year students in online lecture series of paper 15 semester 6th of fishery science, fishery economics, fish marketing, fish cooperatives and extension. In these study of fish cooperatives in India, the third important point which is to be seen, which is very broad, complicated, that is organs of cooperative, and which organs these are to be developed, these are to be formed, the formation of the cooperative. In these societies, number of organs these are to be developed for the formation of the cooperative society. These organs, first organs are the vice president, second are the vice president, third are the directors, fourth is the treasurer, fifth is the members, and sixth is the auditors. All these organs, these are the take part in the cooperative society formation. In these different organs, first 5 organs these are to be already seen, that is president role, their duties, vice president, its role, responsibilities and duties, director, what is the role of director, then treasurer, what is the role of treasurer, and lastly we have seen that is the members of the cooperative society. Now in today's part we have seen that is auditors. Who is called as auditor, what is the duties of auditor, which are the role of auditors, and why these auditors these are to be important in the fisheries cooperative sector. That's why these auditors these are to be we have seen one by one. Auditors, an auditor is a person, an auditor is a person authorized to review, an auditor is a person authorized to review and verify the accuracy of financial records. What is meant by auditors? An auditor is a person, is a human being authorized to review and verify the accuracy of financial records and ensure that companies or cooperative societies these are to be comply with tax laws. Such person that is called as auditors. Those are to be verified, authorized and accuracy of financial records. It can be ensured that this society these are to be complete, this society these are to be fully working, and taxes these are to be paid by laws. When such opinion these are to be drawn, that person is called as auditors. Or a person employed in an office, a person employed in an office or bank to keep records, accounts and undertake other routine administrative duties, that person is called as the auditors. That person is called as auditor. An auditor is responsible for judging the validity and reliability of the cooperative society by evaluating evidence and financial report with established standards. What is meant by auditors? An auditor is responsible for judging the validity and reliability of a company, of a cooperative society by evaluating evidence and financial report with established standards according to the standard conditions of financial report. Evaluating conditions these are to be done by that person. It is called as the auditors. The person doing the audit and who is ultimately responsible for the result of the audit is called as auditor. Who is called as auditor? A person doing the audit and who is ultimately responsible for the result of the audit is called as auditors. In other words, an auditor's role is to make sure there is no financial funny business. There is no financial funny business. There is no a misbusiness condition these are to be seen. In other words, this financial condition these are to be earned. That's why no financial funny business. In the end, an auditor provide an official opinion in the form of reports on whether the financial statement of the cooperatives are honest, accurate and follow proper accounting standards, proper procedure then and then it is the important, then and then it can be called as the cooperative society. Statutory auditors is appointed by general bodies. Statutory auditor is to be appointed by general bodies, whereas internal auditors can be appointed by the managing committee, but the auditors should get his name and appointment circulated with the members. The auditor of the society can be appointed for the term of 1 financial year, 2 financial year, or depending upon the general body, depending upon the member of the cooperative society and member of the managing committee. These auditor, it can be it can be appointed as for 1 year, or it can be appointed for the more than 1 year period. It is the term of that is auditor. It is the term of auditor that may be 1 year or that may be more than 1 year. Person who inspects financial records and verify the financial accuracy of a cooperative society, that person is called as an auditor. An auditor is a person authorized to review and verify the accuracy of financial records and ensure that cooperative society with tax laws. The protect business. This auditor, they can be protect business from fraud, point out discrepancies in accounting methods, and on occasion work on a consultancy basis, helping organization to spot ways to boost the operational efficiency, and they protect business from fraud, point out disappointment, then discrepancies, then accounting methods, and on occasion work on a consultancy. Sometimes it is to work for consultancy, it is work for helping organization to spot ways to boost the operational efficiency. Auditor assess financial operations and ensure that organizations are run efficiently. They are tasked with tracking cash flow from beginning to the end and verifying that an organization's funds are properly accounted for the cooperative society. An auditor is a person or a firm appointed by a company, cooperative society, to execute an audit. To act as an auditor, a person should be certified by the regulatory bodies. A person should be certified by the regulatory bodies authority of accounting and auditing, or possess certain specified qualifications. Generally, to act as an external auditor of a cooperative society, a person should have a certificate of practice from the regulatory authority from time to time, and that person can be that person called as a auditor. That may be internal auditor or that may be external auditor. Means an auditor is a person or a firm appointed by a company, cooperative society, to execute an audit, to perform a accuracy of financial record, to maintain all these documents, all these updated records, and time to time it can be submitted to the different authorities. That is the job of auditors, and this auditing is the process. Continuously these are to be done. Continuously accuracy these are to be occur in the financial, and suppose there is no accuracy these are to be occur, then there is a fraud, then there is a misappointment, then there is a miscarriage, then there is a misbehavior, and when such condition these are to be occur, fraud is to be occur, misbehavior is occur, then it is to be harmful for the cooperative sector, and cooperative sector these are to be very loss maximum condition these are to be seen. That's why this auditor these are to be important, these are to be most used. An auditor is a person or a firm assigned to perform an audit on a organization. An audit is a structured and methodological process that includes an examination of books, accounts, records, and various documents. Those documents these are to be purchased by treasurer. Those documents these are to be purchased by president or vice president time to time. All these documents, these receipt, these record, these account, these books, ledger, these are to be certified by the auditor. It is Imperative that the auditor provide a true and fair view. It is a impressive and it is a imperative that the auditor provides a true and fair view of the organization's financial statement and follows audit standards, and it can be correctly suggested whether it is to be misbehave or this society these are to be good and excellent. It is to be without any fear, without any interfering. Interestingly, the requirement of for financial statement are becoming more and more elaborate. Currently, the 4 required financial statements include the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flow, and the notes regarding the 3 financial statements themselves. These 4 important factors, these are to be used. These 3-4 points, these are to be important for the study of cooperative society. That's why financial statement, balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash inflow, and the notes regarding the, that is 3 financial statement. These 4 documents, these are to be essential. These 4 documents, these are to be important for the auditors, for the view of audit. It helps the auditor to successfully complete. It helps to the auditor to successfully complete their auditing task. For to complete auditing task, it is important, it is to be useful to perform this duty from the auditors. Then the different types of auditor. Which are the auditors? It is important to note that auditors can be internal auditors and external auditors. 2 types of auditors. One is the internal auditor, internal auditors, and second is the external auditor. Internal auditor, the internal auditors work in the company cooperative sector as an employee and as a part of their cooperative society. It is the role they must audit certain procedures within the cooperative sector, such as its recording, such as its ledger, receipt, then passbook. All these activities, these are to be performed, done by the internal auditor, which is the member of the company, which is the finance, that is, it is the member of the cooperative society. Internal auditor work in the company, in the cooperative society as a employee. As a employee means he is the employee of that society, that cooperative sector. Second is the external auditor. External auditor, on other hand, this external auditor, it can be defined as, auditor can be defined as a public accounts who perform an audit. A public account who perform an audit on the organization from an independent statement. From an independent statement. They are employed by an accounting firm, not by the organization. These are accountants, these are to be employed by their organization, accounting firm, not by the cooperative society. That person is called as the external auditors. They will look at area of the organization, such as risk management or financial processes, statements, in order to determine whether they are functioning and it can be recording appropriately, whether these documents, these records, these are to be appropriate functioning, these records, these are to be appropriate working. That condition, these are to be done, that condition, these are to be performed. And that's why external auditor, it is important. After audit completion, external auditor can provide and they can object audit for a cooperative society. For example, shareholders, then stakeholders, or for those are the share members, those are the president. Means after internal audit or after the auditing, third member or third person, it can be observed and it can be examine all document of the society, and external auditors can provide their objective audit for a cooperative society, and it can be best view to examine and to understand what is the role of this auditor and what is how this auditor, these are to be functioning, this auditor, these are to be formed. What is these are the different, after which are the external and which are these auditors, these are to be formed. Again, these auditors are of different 4 types. government auditor. When auditor, these are to be appointed by government for auditing different activities of government sector, then it is to be called as government auditor. Independent auditor, when auditor, these are to be passed the exam of chartered accountant, then it can be working as a independent auditors. But there, these auditors, these are to be there a fairness and there a required condition, whether these are to be liable or not liable, it can be not perfectly told, perfectly called. Then priority auditors, more from business study notes, tax audit, these are the some priority audits, those are the given priority. Then forensic auditor, the auditor, these are to be chosen only for foreign to functioning the different activities of foreign visitors or Indian visitor to the foreign country, these are called as forensic auditor. Tax auditor, the auditor which is to be performing duties only about the tax, that may be sales tax, that may be income tax, that auditor is called as the tax auditor. All these are the 6 to 7 different types of auditors instead of, that is with the internal and external auditor. Then audit of a cooperative society. How this audit, these are to be done of a cooperative society. Let us now discuss the provisions for the audit as per section 17 of the Cooperative Society Act 1912 and Central Society Act and Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act 1960. This audit of cooperative society, these are the provision and compulsory, mandatory, annually the auditing is to be done. The register shall audit or cause to be audited by some person authorized by him by general or special order in writing on his behalf the accounts of every registered society once at least every year. It can be checked in, it can be properly, it can be done, and it is to be performed every year. The auditing is to be done, auditing is to be occur. The audit under subsection 1 shall include an examination of overdue debt, if any, and evaluation of the assets and liabilities of the society. These liabilities of the society, these are to be done, these are to be performed, and for that purpose this cooperative sector, it is to be important, it is to be most useful. These are to be performing, these are to be seen. That's why these, the audit under subsection 1 shall include an examination of overdue debts in, if any, and evaluation of the assets and liabilities of the society. It can be done, it can be performed by the auditor or the audit. The registered or register of a cooperative society or registered the collector or any person authorized by the general or special order, general or special order in writing on his behalf of the paper and given to the auditor by a register shall all time have a access, shall all time have a access to all the books, documents, accounts, papers and securities of a society. In every officer of the cooperative society shall be furnished or furnished such information is to be collected concerning the transactions and working of the society, as a person making such inspection may require time to time and to maintain a document that performing the audit of a cooperative society. Then appointment of auditor. Who can give the appointment of auditor? The appointment of an auditor is done by register of cooperative societies. The auditor conducts his audit on behalf of the register application form. The audit fees is paid by cooperative society according to the statutory scale, according to statutory bylaws. Fees is to be prescribed by the registrar in the regard according to the category of the society, and that fees these are to be paid to the auditor according to all on behalf of the cooperative society. The auditor is required to submit his audit. The auditor is required to submit his audit report directly to the register, and one copy of the audit is to be submitted to the concerned society. Means one copy of this audit, these are to be submitted to the director register of the section of the tax department, and another is to be report is submitted to the cooperative society. Means auditor is required to submit one audit report directly to the registrar and second to the society cooperative office, and this is the duty of auditors. And with this, these auditors that may be internal, auditors that may be external, auditor that may be forensic, auditor that may be for tax auditor, or auditor that may be for different duties. These auditors, these are to be important to maintain, to check the document, to check the account, to check the all conditions, and to clarify a clear-cut fair review about the cooperative society, whether it is to be proper working, whether it is to be proper bylaws, or in these cooperative society some misbehavior, some misopportunity condition, these are to be occur, some fraud is to be found, then it is to be noted and pointed that in the cooperative society fraud is to be occur. This condition, these are to be pointed out by the auditor, and hence auditor, these are to be important mirror for the cooperative society. Thank you all of you.